If your Visual Studio like code like this one doesn't indent automatically, you can change the settings. So I just did that. And if you click settings, and you could search for indent, and you can see I just actually just this first one alone already. I just checked both of them, but it helped indent. And now if I go back to my code, so just check those if it's not indenting. And now when I go back to my code, it's, I can do, here's my doc type, and I do HTML. And as soon as I go in, I'm already indented. And now I do, let's say, my head, and it's already indenting in here. I could do my body, and I do, let's say, a paragraph, and I'm already, this is my paragraph. So it already has this nice indenting where you can see where you are. So I would recommend doing that because it's much nicer and much easier to read. And for some reason it wasn't the default on mine, in depending on which version I'm using. But so just change your settings. You can just go into the settings and check those the indenting, and then you'll be able to indent automatically.